Imagine unlocking a life-changing opportunity with just a few clicks. This is exactly what the West Central Railway, WCR, is offering through its massive apprentice recruitment drive for 2025. With 2,865 positions up for grabs, this could be your chance to build a stable and rewarding career in one of India's most iconic sectors, the railways. But here's where it gets competitive. Only those who meet the strict eligibility criteria and act quickly will make the cut. Are you ready to seize this golden ticket? The Railway Recruitment Cell, RRC, under the West Central Railway, has officially launched its application process for these coveted apprentice roles. The online portal is now live, and candidates have until September 29th, 2025 to submit their applications. This initiative spans multiple divisions and units, ensuring opportunities are spread across various regions. For instance, the Jabalpur JBP division leads the pack with 1,136 vacancies, followed closely by KOTA division with 865 posts. The Bhopal BPL division isn't far behind, offering 558 openings. Other notable mentions include CRWS BPL with 136 spots, WRS KOTA with 151, and HQ/JBP rounding out the list with 19 vacancies. So, who qualifies for these exciting roles? Let's break it down. To be eligible, candidates must have successfully completed their 10th grade exams or an equivalent qualification under the 10+2 system, scoring at least 50% aggregate marks. It's important to note that there won't be any leniency when it comes to rounding off grades. Only exact percentages count. Additionally, applicants need to hold a National Trade Certificate in the relevant trade, issued by either the National Council for Vocational Training, NCVT, or the State Council for Vocational Training, SCVT. Age-wise, the window's fairly inclusive but still selective. Candidates must be at least 15 years old and no older than 24 as of August 20th, 2025. Now, let's talk about how the selection process works. This is where things get interesting and perhaps even controversial. Selection will hinge entirely on merit, determined by averaging the marks obtained in the 10th grade exam and ITI trade qualifications. Here's the catch. Merit lists will not only be trade-specific and division unit-specific, but also categorized by community preferences. A final merit list will then be compiled in descending order of percentages, matching candidates to available vacancies in each trade, division, or unit. While this approach ensures fairness, some might argue whether it truly levels the playing field for everyone. What do you think? Is this the fairest way to select candidates? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For those eager to apply, the process is straightforward, but attention to detail is key. Start by visiting the official WCR website at wcr.indianrailways.gov.in. From there, locate and thoroughly review the RRC Apprentice Recruitment 2025 notification to understand all requirements fully. Next, register as a new user on the portal if you haven't already. Once registered, fill out the online application form with accurate personal and educational details. Don't forget to upload scanned copies of essential documents like your photograph, signature, and certificates. After paying the application fee according to your category, double-check everything before hitting the submit button. Finally, download and print the confirmation page for future reference. It's proof that you've taken the first step towards securing your dream job. If navigating directly to the official website feels overwhelming, don't worry, there's an alternative route. You can click on this link, https://rrcjbp/act2025. Additionally, for anyone seeking clarity on the official guidelines, another link, https://walc.indianrailways.gov www.rs.uploads/175692947 English PDF provides the complete notification in PDF format. These resources are designed to guide you every step of the way. In conclusion, the West Central Railway's Apprentice Recruitment Drive for 2025 represents a monumental opportunity for thousands of aspiring individuals. Whether you're aiming for financial stability, skill development, or simply a sense of pride in working for Indian Railways, this could be your moment to shine. However, success won't come easily. It demands preparation, precision, and persistence. So gear up and give it your best shot. And remember, while the competition may be fierce, the rewards are well worth the effort. Good luck!